Happy morning, friends. Today, I would like to share a good poem written by Ralph Waldo Emerson, an American philosopher, essayist, naturalist, and who led a movement that people are really pure and only institutions corrupt them is the belief he has. So he is Ralph Waldo Emerson. So he wrote a beautiful poem. So that poem is, "This is my wish for you." My wish for you all, friends. What Emerson wrote. This is my wish for you. Now I am telling my wish to all of my friends. What I am wishing for my friends. What I want to be expected from all my friends. What I suggest or what I pray for all my friends. So I say, this is my wish to all my friends, including Facebook friends. I have not seen some of you. We have been interacting through this only. But what is my wish for all of you is comfort on all difficult days. So everybody gets some happy days, some difficult days in life. I wish that you all should have comfort even on difficult days also. My friends, what I am wishing for you is you should have a comfort even on difficult days also. And I wish that smiles when sadness intrudes you, when you are sad, then also you will never lose your smile. So that means you will withstand what type of unfavorable trauma you have, and smile will not erase out from your face. So friends, smiles when sadness intrudes you. That's what I wish for you. Rainbows to follow the clouds. Clouds bring darkness. But once darkness has brought, but that will be erased out. That will be removed by welcoming rainbows. I wish that rainbows should follow the clouds. So you should be happy and always, on all occasions, at all time. Rainbows have to follow clouds. Clouds bring darkness. Immediately after clouds have come, rainbows follow the clouds, bringing you wonderful, colorful happiness. My friends, laughter to kiss your lips. Every time, everywhere, your lips give smile. Your lips give smile. Smiles will be always there on your lips. You always smile. You always greet when you meet people with a smile. So, laughter to kiss your lips. So, that I wish for you. Sunsets to warm your heart. Sunsets to warm your heart. So that is when you look at the sunset, so that is beautiful scenery and beautiful nature, and your heart will enjoy that. I wish for that. I wish your heart will enjoy the beauty of the nature by observing at sunset in the evening or sunrise in the morning. So what I wish, you should have a beautiful eyes to look at the nature and also to see all other people. So what I wish for you, you should have friendship to brighten your being here. So to make your life so happy, to make your life so joyful, to make your life so successful, you should have friendships. That's what I wish for you. Those friendships brighten your life. So the next one is faith, so that you can believe. And you should have a strong faith that you should believe. That means you should not have a doubtful mind. I wish for that. And confidence for when you doubt. You will never have fear of failure. You will never have hesitating mind. You will never have doubtful mind. You should have a strong mind with lot of self-confidence. That what I wish for you. And courage to know yourself. What I wish for you is you should have a courage to know about yourself, who you are, what you are doing, what is the purpose of your life. That you should have. That you should have courage. The next one is you should have patience to accept the truth. That's what I wish for you. So you should accept the reality. It may be favorable or unfavorable, that is to you, that is immaterial. But you should have a patience to accept the reality. And finally, I wish that you should have love to complete your life. That is, you should lead your life by sharing unconditional love to each and everybody. So these are the wishes, and this is my wish for you, my friends. I just repeat out. So what Emerson said in 1860 or so. He was born in 1803 and left this world in 1882. So he wrote a book like Nature and Self-Reliance and so many essays. So great man. He was also once said, everybody is a great person. We should learn from each and every person. That was told to us by Ralph Waldo Emerson, who is popularly called as Waldo. And so what he wishes is, and his poem is, I'll repeat it out. This is my wish for you. That is the title of the poem. This is my wish for you. Comfort on difficult days. Smiles when sadness intrudes. Rainbows to follow the clouds. Laughter to kiss your lips. Sunsets to warm your heart. Hugs when spirits sag. Beauty for your eyes to see. Friendships to brighten your being. Faith so that you can believe. Confidence for when you doubt. Courage to know yourself. Patience to accept the truth. Love to complete your life. Have a nice day, friends. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.